friends Lubna, Mehnaz and Kamala. We are from 6th standard. Our topic is properties of magnet. This is a magnet. Magnet was introduced by in Greece, Stripwood named magnets.
The properties of magnet are magnet attract objects made of nickel, cobalt and iron.
Magnetic field lines create at the North Pole, emergent South Pole. Attract unlike poles and repel like poles. Now my friend Lovina will show how magnet attract and repel each other.
When we bring the same poles of a magnet near each other, it repels, and when we bring opposite poles of a magnet, it attracts.
Mehnaz, what is the meaning of repulsion?
A force under the influence of which object turn to move away from each other. Lubna, what do you mean by attraction?
The object that turns to move, that attracts to each other is called attraction.